Welcome! In front of me is a ZTE Blade A53 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this device through the recovery mode. So to get started, we're gonna hold our power button and then select power off. Now once the device turns off, you wanna hold power and volume up at the same time. When you see the ZTE logo, let go of the power button, but keep holding volume up. And this will take us to the recovery mode. So in here, using your volume buttons, either up or down to navigate respectively up or down, you want to select Wipe Data Factory Reset. So right over here, confirm it with the power button. Then select the second option, which for some reason is now in Russian. No idea why, but anyway, we're going to select the second option. That is basically confirmation. Again, confirm it with the power button. It's going to give you formatting data message at the bottom, and then after a moment it should say data wipe complete, at which point reboot system now will be selected by default. So all you will need to do is press the power button to reboot the device and go back to your setup screen. So there we go. That's what I'm going to do right now. Now with that being said, it will take the device a little bit longer to boot back up. That is completely normal. It is still continuing the reset in the background. But once it's finished, we'll be presented with the setup screen for the phone. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your phone however you like. Now if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.